Take anything you have ever known or thought about a light bar and throw it out the door. Because our XKmax Light Bar isn't just out of the league, it's created an entire league of its own. By combining full RGBW addressable LEDs for seamless chasing effects and making it one of the brightest LED light bars on the market, the XKmax Light Bar is the ultimate light bar solution. The XKmax Light Bar has two modes. DRL mode, which lights up the fully addressable RGBW strip across the top of the bar, and Light Bar mode, which activates the insanely bright LEDs that throw thousands of lumens into the trails. And to make it even better, it is controlled by the touch of your fingers with our XKmax smartphone app. XKmax is our 5th generation of Bluetooth app-controlled lighting that utilizes addressable RGBW LED technology. This allows us to pack our XKmax lighting with features like advanced chasing patterns, a full spectrum color palette, a dedicated pure white light, and even the ability to sync these lights to your turn signals. I know what you're thinking. This light bar sounds so complicated, but let's go ahead and take a look at the science behind installing this light bar to your rig. Yes, it really is that simple. Sure, you have to install the brackets on the side of your light bar, but it's as easy as mounting it, connecting it to 12 volts, and letting the XKmax app take control. Or if you aren't so much of a smartphone user, the kit includes a wiring harness with a 3-way rocker switch. This switch provides full function of the light bar, allowing you to choose between the DRL and light bar mode, all while your phone stays in your pocket. If you have a Jeep, be sure to check out our website to see all of our Jeep-specific light bar mounts for the perfect mounting solution to install an XKmax light bar onto your rig. We offer this bar in 6 different sizes: 7, 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50 inch. The 7-inch light bar might be small, but it packs a whopping 4,931 lumens. And the 50-inch light bar, over 33,000 lumens. No, not 3,300, but 33,000, making this one of the brightest LED light bars on the market. All sizes of the XKmax Light Bar are available right now, so head on over to XKGLOW.com if you want to get in the new league of LED light bars.